Welcome everyone. Welcome to today's video. If you're new here, it's Bree here with Biz with Bree. This channel is all about entrepreneurship, small business growth, and using social media for business. If that's something that you're interested in, definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You'll be notified when I drop videos each week. Today's video is going to be on a couple of new features within messaging on Instagram that the head of Instagram released or talked about earlier this week out of Missouri. I definitely recommend, if you are a business owner and you're using Instagram for your business, I recommend that you go follow him, because when there are changes to the platform, you want to be aware of those and you want to know how those will affect your business, if it will. I have 3 new features that he talked about, and I'm just going to go ahead and share them with you and how this relates to your business. The first new feature within messaging that he talks about is the polls. So I guess in a group chat, you can share a poll, maybe with your clients who took a course or clients who did your services, and see what they say, or however you do group chats. If you use them in your business, then that is a feature that you can now use. Is sharing a poll in the messaging. The second feature that I see that has been implemented is the Giphy feature. So if you click the plus sign, you click the icon that has a smiley face with like the paper half folded up, it gives you the option to search for gifts that you can add into your messaging that kind of displays your mood or how you're feeling. I think it's really cool that they implemented this within the messaging platform. The third feature that they have implemented is now you can respond to a specific message. You can click and hold on the message and respond to that specific message in a thread. I think that's really cool, especially if you are a business owner and maybe you missed a message at some point or wanted to go back and respond to one specific message, or each message specifically if you have more than one message coming from a client or potential client. Fourth feature that you can now do is you can customize your responses in the message. Like if you wanted to react to the message, you can only used to do a heart, but now they have it to where you can customize your response. So you can have your like favorite responses that you want to have at the top, or you can click the plus sign and choose from a list of other emotions or icons. I think it's really cool that they added in the differentiation within the messaging as well. I mean, I love to heart others' messages, but if I wanted to express another emotion to it, if it was funny or something like that, that wasn't available in the past. So this is something that you can do as far as if you're messaging individuals or a client. You could show a more personable response and tailored response to the message that you want to respond to. Fifth feature, I don't know if it's a new feature, but I just saw it. It's basically there are save replies, and you can respond to those save replies. Your most frequently asked questions, you can save responses to those. Someone asks us that question, you can just automatically respond from your save responses, which I think is really cool. Now, if you have a personal Instagram account, I'm not sure if all of these will show up for you, but I'm sure some of them will. But these definitely show up if you have a business account. Thanks for tuning in for today's video. If you found this information useful, definitely give me a thumbs up. Comment below which features you might implement, and it lets the algorithm know that I am producing great content and it's valuable content. It helps me grow as a small YouTuber. As always, you all be blessed, and I will see you in the next video.